Hey guys, it's Shamsa and welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm going to be sharing with you a recipe for a wonderful starter which is slightly different to the normal starters that I sort of like make. It's called Chicken65. It's wonderfully sort of like tangy and it's got lots of flavour from the mustard seeds and the cumin seeds and the desiccated coconut. You're going to love this and your guests are going to love it even more. So let me run through what you need and then we'll start cooking. So because this is a two sort of like step recipe guys, you're going to need ingredients for the marination of the chicken and also ingredients for the tarka, which is the dressing. So the ingredients you're going to need for the marination is 500 grams of chicken breast fillet here, which is half a kg. Now I've had that cubed into sort of like small bite-sized pieces and I have the following spices. I've got 1 teaspoon of salt, chili powder, garam masala. I've got 1 tablespoon of corn flour and plain flour here. I've got 1 egg and I've got 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste here. And for the tarka, you're going to need half a cup of yogurt. I've got 2 tablespoons of oil here. I've got 6 red sort of like dried chilies here. These are optional, but they do add and look really, really nice once you sort of like serve up. And I've got a teaspoon of cumin seeds and mustard seeds here, which are also known as rye. I've got 1 teaspoon of plain flour and chili powder, and I have 1 tablespoon of desiccated coconut here. And I've got some fresh curry leaves, which I've just washed and I've just set aside on some kitchen paper to drain. Now, if you don't know how they come, curry leaves come like this. They're like on a little branch. And I've basically taken 2 branches to get that amount of curry leaves, and you also need oil to fry with. So let's start cooking. So we're going to start by actually marinating our meat, and to that we're going to add all our spices in there along with the corn flour and the plain flour, and then straight in with the ginger and garlic paste. And we're also going to just crack an egg in as well, like that. And we're just going to make sure everything is really nicely mixed and combined. So all of those chicken pieces have got all of that masala on them. Just make sure you break up that egg when you've just popped it in, so it coats it really nicely, and that creates a really nice marination for the meat, which we will fry. That is looking perfect and that is done. So I'm just going to move my camera over and we're going to start frying these. Right, okay, I've got my oil in a wok which is nice and hot, and I'm going to add the pieces of marinated chicken in very gently, and we're going to fry them until they're nice and crispy and golden brown in colour, and that should take about 3 to 4 minutes. And just make sure you keep them separated. My hob setting is still on a high. Right, okay, the chicken is really nice and crispy, so I'm just going to take it out now and just set it aside on some kitchen paper. And I'm just going to continue to fry the second batch. Right, okay guys, my chicken is all nicely fried and golden and crispy, and now we're going to move on to the tarka dressing. Right, to make the dressing, which is the tarka, we're going to take our yogurt, and to that we're going to add our chili powder and the plain flour. Now the plain flour is going to stop it from the yogurt from splitting, so that's the reason why we add it into our yogurt here, and just give that a good whisk and just make sure that's really nicely combined. There we are, and we're just going to set that aside, and I'm just going to move my camera over and we're going to start the tarka dressing. Right, okay, to make the tarka, I've got my pan really nice and hot. The temperature on my hob is a 6, and to that I'm going to add my oil and just let that heat up and come up to temperature. And then straight in with the cumin seeds, the mustard seeds and the dried red chilies, and just give them a few minutes, just let them pop. my God, that aroma is just fantastic. Right, and then straight in with the curry leaves. And then the yoghurt. Mix that really nicely. And then we're going to throw our fried chicken pieces right in, like that. And just give that a mix and just make sure all of that chicken is really nicely coated in that tarka dressing. Just going to turn my hob off now. And just to finish off, we're going to take our desiccated coconut and just sprinkle that all over. That is perfect. And you can obviously add a little bit more once you sort of like serve up. So it looks really, really nice. So there you have it, guys, my chicken 65 recipe. Really quick and easy, wonderful starter for you guys to try out. Let me plate this up and tell you guys exactly how it is. Right, guys, my chicken 65 is plated up and looks absolutely amazing. Smells even amazing. And I'm going to try this now and tell you guys exactly how it is. So straight in, and I'm going to take a curry leaf as well, because the curry leaves add a really nice flavour to this. There's something about them that just, you know, take any dish that you add them to the next level. So here goes. Gosh, that is delicious. You've got so much flavour coming through from all of the ingredients that you've added. Mild chilli coming through. Salt is perfect. You've got the pop of the cumin seeds and the mustard seeds that we've added. And then you've got that lovely tarka dressing from the yogurt. And to top it all off, you know, you finish off with the curry leaves, and the desiccated coconut on top just adds another dimension to the dish. Guys, that's such a quick and easy, wonderful recipe for you there, where your guests will be absolutely blown away with. Leaving you with this, I'm going to catch you in my next video next week. Till then, give the video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn bell notifications on, because you're never going to miss any videos like this ever again. I've got lots of new recipes to share with you all. Till then, take care and happy eating.